How to guide clients through migrating from open shares to secure group access. Many businesses and even public sector organizations still rely on open file shares with broad access. However, this runs the risk of sensitive data being exposed. Switching to secure group-based access helps fix these issues. In this guide, we'll show you how to move clients from open file shares to a more secure long-term access model. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step 1. Identify and audit open shares. Start by understanding what you're working with. First, run an audit of your open shares to identify which folders have broad access, who can access them, and how risky they are. To do this, use PowerShell to list all shared folders and their permissions. get-smb share pipe get-smb share access. Look for shares where everyone or authenticated users have access. These are overly open and risky. For each one, note the share name, path, and access level. Then classify the data by sensitivity. Public means low risk. Internal means medium risk. Confidential means high risk. Restricted means critical. Save everything in a spreadsheet or database. You'll use this in the next steps. Step 2. Map users to groups based on business roles. Once you know which shares are exposed, decide who actually needs access and why. Work with HR or team managers to review roles and responsibilities. Identify who needs access to what data. Create or update groups in Active Directory or Microsoft Intra ID based on these roles. Avoid giving access directly to individuals. Use groups instead. Finally, assign a group owner to manage and approve access requests. Step 3. Build a migration plan. This step is about building your roadmap. Create a clear plan to move from open shares to secure group-based access. Define your migration in clear phases. Phase 1 should involve inventorying and documenting open shares. Phase 2 should involve creating and validating groups. Phase 3 should involve testing with non-critical folders. And Phase 4 should involve full migration with a rollback plan. Communicate the plan and timeline to stakeholders. Make sure they know what's changing, when it's happening, and who to contact for support. Step 4. Migrate permissions to secure groups. This step replaces broad access with role-based group permissions, reducing risk and moving your organization toward least privilege access. Replace broad access with least privilege groups for each folder. Start with non-sensitive folders first. Keep a read-only backup of the original share during the transition, and check that users in the new groups have the access they need. Then move on to higher risk folders. Document all changes, including before and after permissions, who made the change, and when it was completed. Migrating from open shares to secure group-based access reduces risk, enforces least privilege, and improves compliance. Start by auditing permissions, mapping roles to groups, migrating access in phases, and validating changes with stakeholders. Roll out changes gradually, keep rollback options in place, and document everything. For more information, check out our official blog post on guiding clients through migrating from open shares to secure group access, linked in the description below.